Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Zainab Kamran and welcome to the English lecture of S3. We are going to move forward with the book exercise of Unit 2. So please take out your books, page 20. Take out your books, page 20. A tourist brochure advises travelers what to see in a new place. It has headings to tell you main points. When we write headings in our notebooks, we underline them with a ruler. In printed books, headings are usually in big bold letters. This is explaining us how a tourist brochure is written. हमने पहले इस story के start से ये पढ़ा है कि this story is actually a brochure because it is highlighting the places of Paris. ये Paris के बारे में एक brochure है जो Paris के बारे में उसकी विजिटिंग जो चीज़ें विजिट करने वाली प्लेसेस हैं उनको हाईलाइट कर रही है, उनको की पॉइंट्स हमें पेरिस के बारे में बता रही है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू आवर ओन ब्रोशर राइटिंग. हमने खुद के लिए अपना एक ब्रोशर लिखना है. फर्स्ट इज लेट्स डिस्कस व्हाट आर हेडिंग्स इन अ ब्रोशर एंड हाउ डू वी राइट हेडिंग्स. उसने हमें एक्सप्लेन किया है कि हेडिंग्स क्या होती हैं. हेडिंग्स इज समथिंग दैट इज हाईलाइटेड ऑन अ पेज. When we were studying this, let's go back to this unit 2 Paris. Okay, unit 2 Paris. Now you can see there are headings of the places. The Eiffel Tower is written in bold letter while the other paragraph is written in the normal lowercase one. So the bold one is highlighting कि हम Eiffel Tower की यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं. So headings makes it easy. The headings in a chapter or in a brochure make it easy to understand which thing we are talking about. अगर किसी एक चीज़ की बात हो रही है उस छोटे पैराग्राफ में तो हमें पता चल जाएगा कि this paragraph is talking about Eiffel Tower. So headings are useful. And in notebooks we can write headings by using a ruler. We can underline them with a ruler, or if we are using a different color pen, when we go in higher classes we are going to use different colors pen, so we can use marker for headings and pens for the text. But if we don't have the markers or stuff, we are using a pencil, so we will underline them with a ruler to make it obvious. उसे prominent करने के लिए, उसे highlight करने के लिए we will underline them. Now number 2 is listen to the facts about Multan. I am going to tell you the fact file about Multan. You are going to listen to me and you are going to circle the correct one, the correct block. Yellow blocks, there are options given in yellow block. You are going to circle the correct option by listening to me in this audio. And after listening to this fact file on page 21, you are going to write your own brochure about Multan. You are going to fill in these key facts using these yellow blocks. येलो ब्लॉक्स में जो आपको ऑप्शंस गिवन है आपने मुझे सुनना है और उसमें से करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो मैं बोलूँगी वो आपने सर्कल करना है. और उसके बाद उन ऑप्शंस को यूज़ करते हुए नेक्स्ट पेज पे जो आपका होमवर्क है, नेक्स्ट पेज पे आपने फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स जो आपको गिवन है, की फैक्ट्स आपको गिवन है, आपको ब्लैंक्स गिवन है, आपने फैक्ट फाइल में से उन ब्लैंक्स को यूज़ करना है. ऑलराइट, आर यू रेडी? आर यू लिसनिंग? पेंसिल्स इन योर हैंड्स. Multan fact file. Key facts about Multan. One of the oldest cities in the world. One of the oldest cities in the world. Age 6,000 years. Age 6,000 years old. Province Punjab. Province Punjab. Nearest river Chenab. Nearest river Chenab. Called City of Saints. Called City of Saints. The tomb of Rukn Alam. The tomb of Rukn Alam is actually a highlight place of Multan. We can visit, if we ever go to Multan we can visit the tomb of Rukn Alam. Why? What are the key facts about Rukn Alam? Let's see. Age of tomb 700 years old. Age of tomb 700 years old. Shape of tomb 8 sides. Shape of tomb 8 sides. Building materials brick. building materials, brick and tiles. Brick and tiles. Famous products of Multan. Most famous fruit, mangoes. Most famous fruit, mangoes. Material of pottery. Pottery means to make something out of clay. Matti se bartan banana. That art is known as pottery. Material of pottery, glazed clay. Glazed clay. Usual colors of pottery, blue, white. Usual colors of pottery, blue, white. Types of pottery, plates, tiles, pots. Plates, tiles, pots. I hope you have underlined. If you are left with any of the options, listen to the fact file again. Now, here you are going to plan a tour. On page 21, you're going to plan a tourist brochure about Multan. A tourist brochure about Multan. You have already heard the key facts. Key facts अभी आपने सुने हैं, उसमें से इनको आपने circle भी किया, उनको use करते हुए आपने यहाँ पे key facts लिखने हैं. किस तरह लिखना है? The first one is already written. Multan is one of the oldest cities in the world. People have lived here for dash years. हमने अभी की फैक्ट सुना है कि एज क्या है मुल्तान की? 6,000 years old. So people have lived here for 6,000 years. On a map, you will find it in dash. You will find it in dash. Which province will you find it? अभी हमने की फैक्ट में सुना है. It is found in Punjab. The province Punjab. Beside dash. Which river is nearest to Multan? Beside river Chenab. It is called, what is the city called? We have already heard it in the fact file. The city is called the City of Saints. Why? Because why would it be called a city of saints? Because many holy people lived there. Many holy people lived there. On the graves of the saints there are beautiful tombs. On the graves of the saints there are beautiful tombs. The tomb of Rohan Alam. Now we are going to talk about tomb of Rohan Alam. We will go for in the fact file and we will look for tomb for Rohan Alam. One of the Multan's saints was called Rohan Alam. His tomb was dash years old. Now you will go and check the age of tomb, which is 700 years old. It has dash sides. How many sides? You will look in the fact file. It is made of, what are the building materials? You will look in the fact file. Famous products of Multan. Now go for famous products. Multan is famous for. Now you will write the famous products from fact file. Multan is famous for its the mangoes, or pottery is famous for its pottery. The pottery is made from glazed clay and the colors of pottery are blue and white, and the types of pottery are, you will write from there. So complete this brochure using the fact file of Multan, and your homework is workbook page 13. Workbook page 13. Homework is workbook page 13.